Welcome to DigitalBix fashion. Beards have always been a sign of wealth, honor, and masculinity. While there are many beard styles, many of them have been transformed from their original styles into something new and modern. Here is the top 5 best beard style for men. Number 1. Thick stubble. A thick stubble is the best and most popular kind of beard that every man loves to sport. This beard style can suit all kind of Western and Indian outfits. This new beard style goes well on the square and the heart-shaped faces. Number 2. Long full beard. This beard style is characterized by long hair. It requires proper grooming and a whole lot of patience. To grow a long full beard, do not trim it for at least 4 weeks, after which you can shape it according to your preference. Number 3. Short beard. Characterized by a thin and thicker stubble, this beard looks well on all face shapes. Essentially a thin beard that gets thicker towards the sideburns. This kind of beard best suits a professional look. Number 4. Trimmed beard. Perfect for any formal event or to achieve a professional look. This kind of beard hails from the classic styles. This beard is characterized by short hair that is of the same length as a mustache. To maintain this look, trim your beard hair every day. Number 5. Short full beard. This style is one of the latest short beard styles that's trending in 2022. This beard is characterized by trimmed down shorter hair. To achieve this look, you can shave most of your facial hair except for your mustache and hair along the jawline or chin strap. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to DigitalBix.